We're very excited for Raven to win this car. It's not easy to find toys or equipment like this that she can use with her diagnosis. She has a form of muscular dystrophy, so she's not able to do what a typical 2-year-old can do. So this is really great. We're very thankful for this opportunity.
Thank you. And second question, what's your suggestion for us? Like maybe
keep doing this. Yes.
Thank you.
There's a lot of families that could really benefit from this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.